Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna or Queen Dean. Today we're going to be unboxing a Jeffree Star mystery box. I'm so excited because I don't own anything from him except for a setting powder and that's all I've got. So let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and dive in here, open it up one by one. So we're just going to do this right now. Let's see what we've got right here. So this is some pins that says, "Hi, how are ya?" It has a little beauty mirror. Oh my god, these are really cute actually. I can put these on my backpack. I actually have a couple places I can put these, so really cute. So I did get the deluxe box. That was $100 and it comes with 9 items inside of here. So this is, it says visit Star Lounge at jeffreestar.com. It just has this picture on the front and him on the back. So there's like these 3 little things in here. What are these? These are little eyeshadows. These are single eyeshadows. So there's this Rip, which looks like a dark kind of black charcoal-y color. So let's see what they look like. Oh, this one's so cute. It's like a little charcoal. It's like a charcoal black kind of color. Really cute. It's called R.I.P. So Rip. Oh, that's so cool. Grave Digger, which looks like another dark, kind of like charcoal-ish color. Maybe a little bit more kind of gray. I'm not really sure. They look a little similar. I will say this one is a little darker than the Rip. Maybe a little bit more brown, but it has a little bit more brown in it, the Grave Digger. And then this last one is Death Certificate. Oh, this was one of those shimmery shades. Check that out. The little hearse on the back. Oh, that's so cute. The little eyeshadows were like inside this shirt, which is the next item in here. So let's go ahead and see what this one is. Because it did ask me to pick a size. And I'm kind of hoping I didn't pick the wrong size, but you just never know. So let's check this out. So this is the front. The front has the little Jeffree Star logo. I really like this like lime green and yellow. And the back has the Jeffree Star cosmetics on the back. Oh, super cute. Really excited to try this out. It feels really soft, like really soft. And it says it's 100% cotton and designed in the USA. So cool. Okay, let's keep going. All right, so next thing I see is this Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the automatic eyeliner, and then this is in Assets. Super cute. I was really hoping I would get the Money palette, and seeing this green, I'm hoping I get the Money palette. Ooh, this is some really cool packaging. Really cute, and it's a nice like kind of like olivey marine kind of green. And let's just go do a little swatch on the back of the hand. And that is what she looks like. Oh, it is a really nice like dark olive foresty green. Really like this, and I like greens a lot for the eyes. So really excited to try that out. Next thing, what is this? We've got a Shane Dawson lip balm, and this is in Diet Shane. Let's see what this looks like. I'm assuming it's gonna look like the little signature bullets. And this is like a dark gray packaging. I really like the bullet look, really cool. And it is just a white balm, lip balm. Doesn't really, it has like a little bit of a smell, but I can't place it, but it's very light. Oh, this is just super cute. Just really cute packaging. I don't think I'll probably have this one like on display. It's super cute. So keep on diving in here. What is this? We have, this is a Velour liquid lipstick. This is in Breakfast at Tiffany's. So definitely gonna be a light shade. And what I think's really cool about these liquid liners is that they can also be used as eyeliners if you think it's like too strong of a liquid lip. Oh, it's like the cutest little baby blue. Doesn't really have a scent. I'm just gonna put a little dot on my hand. This is what this does look like for this liquid lips for the Breakfast at Tiffany's. Super cute. Super cute. What else is in here? We're getting the gloss. This is in Tabletop. I'm so glad I'm kind of getting like a little bit of everything. I hope I get a highlighter. Really hope I get a highlighter. This is, oh, beautiful. I like this. It's a nice nude, but it has like sparkles in it. Let's go ahead and give this a swatch too. These components are just fun. There's like little pinky purple glitters in there. Really cute. This little gloss right here. Really cute. Okay, so what else is in here? Next, we're going into this. I can kind of read what it is through here. Okay, let's open it up. I can't. The Jawbreaker palette, y'all. Oh, I was so excited. I'm just so excited to like have one of his palettes and try it out because I've been wanting to, and I don't know why I never really jumped the gun to do it. But I'm so glad I did. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Let's check this out. Oh, wow. This is stunning. I say this is really good for spring right now, especially. Oh, and there's a full-size mirror in here. Like, this orange juice looks so dope. This snack, this cotton candy. Cotton candy. Just look at them again. Just really awesome. Really a nice like artistry palette. Oh, I'm so excited. I think there's one more thing in here, which is this. This is the mini Velour liquid lipsticks. This set includes bankroll. So this one must have been for the money collection because it has the bankroll, dead presidents, high society, dirty money, special order, deep pockets, crocodile tears, and karma. So let's check out what this is. This is a nice like satiny, like, I don't know, just smooth texture on here. Wow. Look at that. Look at these. These are just beautiful. Like, the browns are probably really easy to use on the lip, honestly, but these greens, I don't know. But like I said, definitely can be used as liquid liners, so can be used as fun graphic liners. At that point, you could just use it as all over eyeshadow as well. So really, really excited. Oh, wow. This was fantastic. I'm so glad I'm trying these out. I didn't even notice the money honey on the side, y'all. Alright, so that does complete my unboxing of my Jeffree Star Spring Mystery Box. Again, I am like super, super excited to be trying out this Jawbreaker palette. I'm really excited to try this out as eyeliner, and honestly, this whole entire vault of mini liquid lipsticks. Like, this is just so cool, and I'm really like, they're different colors. They're not normal. That's okay. I'm excited to try them out though, because guess what? This is gonna be fun, and to be doing like graphic liners with it, ooh, it's gonna be really nice. And the greens are perfect for spring in my opinion. I will see you guys in the next video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I didn't even notice the money honey on the side, y'all. This is just